Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Storyteller Overland MODE van isn't built for people who talk about adventure. It's built for those who disappear into it. The kind of travelers who don't follow maps, who don't stop when the pavement ends, and who believe the best places are found far beyond cell service. From the very first glance, the MODE van looks ready for the unknown. Its lifted stance, aggressive all-terrain tires, reinforced bodywork, and expedition-ready hardware send a clear message. This machine was engineered to go where ordinary camper vans simply can't. This isn't a weekend toy. It's a purpose-built overland vehicle designed to survive, thrive, and carry you confidently into the wild. Move deeper into the cabin, and this is where the MODE van truly separates itself from traditional campers. The living area is designed for real off-grid life, not showroom aesthetics. Seating transforms smoothly into a comfortable sleeping area, creating a space that adapts instantly from daytime function to nighttime recovery. Durable materials and adventure-grade fabrics are used throughout, built to handle dirt, moisture, and constant use without sacrificing warmth or comfort. Soft LED lighting creates a calming atmosphere after sunset, while large windows and roof ventilation bring in daylight and fresh air, keeping the interior bright, breathable, and connected to the environment outside. The kitchen may be compact, but it's engineered for serious travel. Every element is placed with intention, from the countertop and sink to the cooking system and smart storage solutions. This is a kitchen designed to work miles away from civilization, whether you're making coffee at sunrise in the mountains or preparing a hot meal after a long day on the trail. The MODE van's power and water systems are built for independence, featuring onboard batteries, solar integration, and intelligent energy management that allow you to stay off-grid for days at a time. No hookups, no compromises, just freedom. Climb inside, and the experience immediately shifts from rugged to intelligently refined. The interior of the 2026 MODE van is a masterclass in functional design, where every inch serves a purpose and nothing feels wasted. The driving area is clean, modern, and thoughtfully laid out, with digital displays, intuitive controls, and seamless connectivity that make long days behind the wheel feel effortless. The elevated seating position delivers excellent visibility in both urban traffic and remote terrain, while the supportive seats reduce fatigue mile after mile. Storage is integrated everywhere, hidden, modular, and practical, allowing essential gear, tech, and personal items to stay organized without cluttering the living space. When it's time to rest, the MODE van delivers something rare in the overland world, truly comfortable sleep. The bed system is easy to deploy and surprisingly spacious, with a quality mattress that provides real support, not just a place to crash. There's enough headroom to sit up comfortably, making mornings slow and relaxed instead of cramped and rushed. Insulation and climate control systems help regulate temperature in extreme environments, whether you're parked in icy alpine regions or hot desert terrain. Thoughtful privacy solutions ensure that wherever you stop, the space inside feels personal, secure, and calm. Underneath it all, the MODE van is built like a true off-road machine. Upgraded suspension, all-terrain tires, skid protection, and reinforced components allow it to handle rough trails, mud, gravel, and unpredictable terrain. Advanced traction systems and driver assist features provide stability and control when conditions get challenging, giving drivers confidence far from help. Yet despite its rugged capability, the van remains composed and smooth on highways, making long-distance travel not just possible, but enjoyable. In the end, the 2026 Storyteller Overland MODE van isn't just a vehicle, it's a mindset. It's built for those who value freedom over convenience, experience over excess, and the journey as much as the destination. Whether you're crossing remote landscapes, waking up beside a silent lake, or living on the road for weeks at a time, the Mode van delivers a rare combination of toughness, intelligence, and genuine livability.